So make sure this Allen's all the way in there, like Allison said. You do not want to round that off. And then once it's off, you can see I have that little pin right there. Katie was so intrigued on burning her spider friend. He's got like coat hangers for arms. Oh, he's done. He just turned off officially. You've killed your spider friend. How do you feel about yourself? Yeah? Ash was like, what? Fire.
What's going on here? You good?
T-Dubs is out of here. Heading back to the babies. Nice little hotel, though. Have a good morning. And I'm going to go do a little extra credit on that truck. A little extra credit on that truck. Left. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Cold start. Well, we just had a nice breakfast down at Cracker Barrel. Ended up at the 205 Marathon truck stop. Great coffee, great people. I'm gonna get a drink, and I'm gonna find T-Dubs around here somewhere. Oh, merchandising. One reason I don't bring T-Dubs here. Cute stuff. Well, thanks for coming to see me, beautiful girl. I'm gonna miss you. We'll see you soon. Get that truck done and we'll see you soon. All right, well, Allison's got us. Coming to pick us up. T-Dub's heading home. You guys have a good morning. All right, let's get these bags out of here. Hey, goodbyes.
Hey, goodbye.
I love you. Drive safe. Text me when you get home. Bye, T-Dubs. Let's go. All right, guys, a little extra credit on a Sunday. Get some stuff done so we're not in the way. Monday, the hecticest day of the week, and then there's David's truck right there. Praying that part's here tomorrow. He needs the whole assembly. We tried to do the rebuild, but he's actually got an air leak in the shaft of the whole thing. All right, so let's play with some stuff, guys. So first things first, we have to pin the motor, which means we have to, is it top dead center? Not top dead center, it's a certain indicator. There's an Allen head right down in here that I'll show you. We have to take that out and then put a pin in there, and that holds the motor from moving. Oh, there we go. See how I can turn it right here? So we got to find out, you hold that pin there, and as I'm turning it, it'll just drop in. Once it drops in, it's called pin. Here's the pin. Right here. So we need to put that in the motor so it holds it all, so we can set all the gears. And so it's aligned right and timed right. Let's get the pin in. So you see that right there? That is a little Allen on size 6. Whoops, lost our light. Well, it kind of actually went where it's supposed to be. So we have to take that out and then get that pin in there. So let's take it out. That is the little plug. So make sure this Allen's all the way in there, like Allison said. You do not want to round that off. And then once it's off, you can see I have that little pin right there. And it's going in, but you have to lock it in. So we're going to rotate the motor until it just pushes in, and then it will lock the motor from moving at all. And we can start putting in a cam. So I thought I got really lucky. I barely moved the crank, and the pin popped right in. And I was like, whoa, how crazy is that? And Allison's like, no. I already set it for you. So she knew that if this pin was right here, I was close. So I was like, I thought I was lucky, almost. But now we're locked. The pin's in, dropped in. We're gonna get some assembly lube on all of those. And then set the cam. So this piece actually separated from another piece, and there was still a bunch of oil and stuff in there. I didn't know it separated, but Allison's like, yeah, go get that clean. I said, okay. And that gear's going in with the bolt. You put that one purposely where we can get to it, so we can tighten it back down once it's tight. That's our compressor, and this one will go on. Should I clean the cover in here on the side? All right, I'll clean that. It's pretty clean. Yeah, but then did we get a new O-ring in the kit? Okay. So in this little cap right here, you do some red RBT silicone around the outside, and it's more that Detroit jelly on the gasket on the inside. The gasket comes in the kit, and then you're going to torque to 35 pounds. Nice and easy. Well, I thought I had it tight, but it's getting there. And then these two gears are the ones that you set the feeler gauge with. All right. .5.1. There we go. Okay, let's put the other ones on. So why are these important?
Well, because if you put them back in right here, it goes to this gear right here.
Yeah.
And they're stretched. So they break off and then they'll take the whole front housing out.
Because that gear comes loose?
Yep.
So they're kind of like head bolts. They stretch the yield?
Yep.
So she had one job come back where they didn't replace these. They put them back in and it ruined the whole thing. Straight from NRC. Little tricks, guys, that you got to know. And those are special order. Those don't come in the kit.
No, they don't come in the kit.
So you have to order those separately.
Yep.
So call Hey Guy, guys. Call Caitlin. Call Allison. And here we go, guys. One of the reasons I was coming in here in the first place. We got our new cam. Whoop, we'll roll off the table. There we go. What was that? Like $1,300, guys. But it is worth it because mine had a giant groove in it.
It's like 16.
I think it's 1,600. Like 1,600, guys. So we're gonna get this thing lubed up and slide her in. I'll get up here. You can film it from, yes, yeah, right there. You can even come up here and like look down. Guys, David's our cameraman now. David's helping out. Very intricate, guys. You do not want to go fast. This nice and easy. Here she comes. A little bit bigger than your typical Chevy cam.
Maybe record that being loose so they know.
Get what loose?
Make sure you record that being loose so they know to lube everything.
Yeah, lube all the valleys before you get in there. Okay. And then you got to kind of two-man job so that you don't drop it. There you go.
And it's very sharp.
Yeah, the edges are sharp. There you go. Assembly lube, guys. There we go. Two more, guys. She's gonna go in. Whee! And that's it. That's how you put a cam in. Thank you, Allison. Brand new cam. Awesome. Thank you, David. Allison just got this gear lined up, and I didn't know your fuel pump has to be timed, so she's moving it back and forth, and I'm wondering, like, what's she doing? And she's getting the fuel pump aligned perfectly with that gear. So little things that Allison knows that you gotta know, otherwise you might have bigger problems down the road. But our cam is in. Thank you, David, for filming that. Woo! And we're going. And what was your name again, man?
I'm Brian.
Brian's the man who stopped by. That's a sweet 4Runner,
Good
dude.
to see you, brother.
You too, man. Got it all ready to go wheeling out there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Said this is his hog hunting machine. Look at that winch. Man. And he said his suspension's all brand new. Yeah. Pretty cool. Got a rhino line ready to go. And he has a snorkel on it. I like it. All right, back to gears.
This.
Okay, now this is just a counterbalance shaft.
It's sets your backlash. So you're clearance in between this gear and this gear. That's
Okay,
all it
and what
does.
is this? This gear's running the
That gear
ejection
don't
pump?
run nothing. It just lines
Oh, he's
up.
just an idler. Okay.
This one right here is your set tension. So
Okay.
it offsets it to take away the gear
Backlash. Okay.
Yeah. And then this one is what runs this. This has to be in time and this has to be in time.
So this one's another basically an idler.
Yep.
Okay.
But this one and this one's only have to be in time. And that if it has a mark on it, you line it up. See this little group right here?
Right?
You line it up with
Right?
that group.
That is too cool, man. That's the part I want
And
to
you
see.
put this on the insert pin. So
Okay.
you pin the engine and then you can set everything.
Oh, okay.
That's the last gear, guys. We just put that one on.
And
And now, show you, use a feeler gauge. You do the feeler gauge right here? Or right there? Wherever that line is? That's the feeler gauge, and she'll get the right distance between those to make it just perfect. Okay, now you tighten down and make sure you still have it easy to pull in and out. That was being too tight, huh? Yep. So they gotta be the same. Not one little tight and one little loose. Both the same. There you go. We did it about, what, 3 times? Third time is a charm. There you go. Now we get this one in torqued down and those torqued down. And we're rocking and rolling with gears. Thank you, Allison. We have a camshaft, guys, a new one. What are they going, 35 again?
22 and then 60 degrees.
22 and then 60 degrees. And that is the final piece. Once that is tightened down and torqued, we can let off the spring bolt back down there, and that sets the backlash. I'm learning these terms.
That's the tension.
That's the tension.
So if you look at like an older Cummins, you hear a lot of gear noise.
Yep.
And that's why they did that, so it takes away from the gear noise.
So it's not so chattery.
Yep.
So our extra credit Sunday is complete, guys. I owe it all to Allison. That is just some stuff that she's been doing for a while, so she knows it. I would never have known the fuel pump needs to be timed or anything else like the backlash. So that's why you go to the experts for it. But we do have our cam in now, guys, so we can do rockers and injectors and all that. When they come in, I'm still waiting on my tubes. But once those tubes come, if they don't have like an overnight tracking number by tomorrow, then I'm just gonna go down and buy them and then see if they give me a discount and return them. Who knows? But yeah, extra credit Sunday. Let's go see what we're doing for the rest of the day. But this is a big point of completion. Now this done, it's not as much expertise needed to put other things back. There's still some torque specs on some rockers and stuff, but I'll ask her for those. But Allison, we owe everything to you. Thank you. We are back from playing with gears on a Sunday. Ashley's, of course, getting all the laundry done. And somebody's in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, you want that one too? Which one, the dinosaur? You want to hold it? Okay, let me get it. Oh, it's a Littlefoot. Wow. You want all of those ones?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get them.
hold it.
Okay, you want to hold it? Okay. There you go. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay.
More.
More of them. There's only like 3 left. So what we're going to do, we had all these stuffed animals up here. We're gonna put a little TV right there, so.
More.
Okay, I'll get him. You say bye-bye to everybody?
Down.
You want down? You want to get down? You stay up there. I'll give it to you. Are you gonna help me? You see the light? Oh, you see the light on the wall? Do it again. Okay. Ooh, it's heavy, Bubba. Oh. All right, we'll get it up on the wall, okay? Can you say hi to everybody? Hi. Whoa. All right, let's get this on the wall. 3 big bolts. We got to find a stud. Hey. And that's a wrap. Asher now has dinosaurs in his room. Yeah, it is. Dinosaur eggs in different colors. Learning all kinds of things. Mwah. All right, guys. Well, that's a Sunday extra credit wrap. Allison gave us a nice peace of mind for doing all this. Ashley is TikToking or something, kind of like T-Dubs does. She's doing laundry at the same time. And we are going to change the oil in the truck and the Jeep and call it a Sunday, guys. God bless you. And we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully firing up Monday or Tuesday. Well, before we get out of here, we have one more thing of duty. We keep giving Allison heck for her truck being so dirty. So she went and bought that's a little fire we had last night out here, with Asher's old bed being the corral around it. But we keep giving her heck for her truck being so dirty. So she went and bought $24 from AutoZone, and it has like a oil canister too, or not oil, soap canister. So you put soap in there, it has a quick connect. It's pretty dang cool on the back. So she's intrigued. We're gonna see how good it works and get the old beast cleaned up. But yeah, tomorrow back to work at Hey Guy. God bless you guys, and we will see you then.